Good morning, everyone. I watched my video from 3 weeks ago yesterday, and I couldn't believe the difference in the growth. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. All right, we got some tomatoes coming on the early girl. More in there, a bunch. My sun sugar cherries are starting to produce. My plants are over 5 feet high. Here's my other early girl. More tomatoes coming in. I'm going to be harvesting my kale gone crazy here. There's a lot. And my mix of different types of kale. I have some Swiss chard in there. My cucumbers have taken off, climbing the fence now. The ones from seed there are a little shorter, but these are looking good. My pole beans, something snipped them off, inside and outside the fence, high and low. So I'm not sure what would have done that. But anyway, they are climbing. I don't know how much I'll get. My sunflowers in 3 weeks have skyrocketed. Many of them are over the fence. I have some there that are probably at least 6 feet. And they were just small in my 3 weeks ago. They were tiny. And my zinnias were tiny, and they were about this big. And in 3 weeks, this is what I have. Very exciting. I've been eating peas. I have to pick some of these today. I only have a few pea plants, but I have been getting peas and enjoying them. We had 3 days that was 100 degrees, and it was hard to keep everything going. My cilantro is already going to seed. My blue potatoes are doing good. My basil took off. I'm going to eat some of this today. This is, let's see, butternut squash gone crazy. I mean, this was just tiny 3 weeks ago, and it's just, I'm trying to grow it vertically. It's just going crazy. And this is an acorn squash right here. Also trying to grow this vertically. I have another acorn squash right here. Got a squash coming in. Another squash here. Looks like possibly one there. These are my butternut squash. Trying to, let's see, these are bush butternut. I believe this is a bush butternut. It has a different pattern on the leaves. So this may be a regular butternut. I'm not sure. Although these shorter ones have the same pattern. Yeah, I mean, this is what my garden looks like now. And if you looked 3 weeks ago, it was nothing like this. It's a jungle. I'm afraid I'm not going to have anywhere to walk with all these squash. This is bush butternut. They aren't flowering yet in these pots. They're in 25-gallon pots. And as you can see from this butternut, how the pattern on the leaves is different from this. So, straw flowers, they're not open yet because it's early morning. Here's another 25-gallon bush butternut. And calendula are blooming. And they were just little. My hollyhocks are growing. And these are my little Jack pumpkins, and I'm trying to steer them towards the fence because they're going to go take over everything. My carrots, I ate one yesterday. I'm going to pick some more today. They're baby carrots, very tasty. Round zucchini, flowering beautifully. I have some coming in here. One's just about ready to pick right there. And my two 25-gallon pots of red potatoes, mammoth, celery. I've been eating so much of this and enjoying it. I'm gonna pick some more of this today if there's any more big stalks. I've been eating it with hummus and peanut butter. I've been watering every day, and so that's made it taste way better than in the past when I haven't. Let's see here. Yeah, so many greens. You can eat the greens too. Butterfly bush. More zinnias. 2 more round zucchinis. Let's see, I got peppers coming in. That's a yellow pepper. Here's a red pepper. Cantaloupe. Taken off. And this is more yellow peppers coming in. My nasturtium was huge, and during our 100-degree weather I overwatered it, and I cut it all back. It died pretty much. My beans are finally taken off here. Slow. Next year I won't plant them so early. But they're flowering. I'm going to have so many round zucchini, I'm not going to know what to do. Last year it was beans. As you can see, I have another one coming right here, I noticed. There's going to be so many, I'm going to have a hard time giving them all away. Oh boy. These are my giant zinnias, giant purple zinnias budding up. That's my little Jack pumpkin I just showed you, trying to get onto the sunflowers. Yeah, look at this garden. I mean, it's a jungle out here in Zone 4B. I don't know if my strawberries were June bearing because they flowered a lot. I ate some and now they're doing nothing. Lemon balm, rhubarb. My onions are getting big. You can see that. I planted yellow and I planted red onions. Some snapdragons. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what's been going on here because I was shocked at how much things grew. I do have a pumpkin plant over here, a white pumpkin, and that is right here, and that's growing. So I hope I get one for Halloween. All right, quick update. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and I'll keep you posted. Have a great day.